Thank you for allowing roadready Solutions to be a part of your regulatory compliance solution. This tutorial will show how to transfer log data to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, the FMCSA. Once logged into the admin portal, hover over Web Admin, click Send Data to FMCSA. In the FMCSA comment box, enter the code provided by the auditor or investigator. This code is provided by the authorities. Select the date range you wish to transmit. Select the drivers you wish to include log data to be transferred for, and then click Send to eRODS system. You will see the data that was sent in the header area here, and you can see where to find the confirmation of the data sent. Thank you for using roadready Solutions.